This video is not for everybody. Yes guys, you heard it right. This video is not for everyone. I would like to put a disclaimer here before starting the video that every man has his own walk. I totally respect that and I don't have anything against the walk that you are having now. But I have got many comments saying that I walk like girl, my walk is little bit feminine. So I have made this video to help those people who wants to change their feminine walk to a manly kind of walk. But I totally respect everybody's walk and I believe that every person has a unique walk. However, if you want to change that walk, yes, you can do it. So having said that, let's move on to the video. So in this video, I will show you how to change your feminine kind of walk to a manly kind of walk. So before I show you the manly walk, I will show you how a girl walks like, and then we'll see how a man walks like, and then we'll compare both and we'll check what is the difference and what exactly matters. So without any further ado, let's see how a girl walks. So guys, you have seen a feminine walk now. Now let's go and see how a manly walk looks like. So guys, you have seen both the walks now. Now let's walk together and compare and see what is the thing that makes the difference.
Now the major difference here is the elbows are inside and the knees are touching. So let's see what changes you have to make your walk look more manly. Firstly, if your knees are touching like this, see that you keep your knees apart and stand like this. The second thing that you need to change is if your elbows are tucking in like this, then see that you keep a slight outward bend in your elbows like how I am doing here, and then start to walk. As you walk, you will have to keep in mind that you will have to bend your knees slightly like how I am doing here. If you are having difficulty in doing that, then see that you overdo it like this. Now you will have to practice this at least for 2 to 3 months because you've been walking the other way for a long time now, so it will take some time to change that. So instead of walking with your knees touched and your elbow inside like this, you will have to do it like how I have told you now.
So there you have it guys. I have literally compared both and I have shown it to you now, and I'm hoping that this video will help you a lot. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisan Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.